Hi everyone, I have two bins here. This one is 55-day old and it's my newest bin. I didn't check it in a while, so let's have a look. Okay, we can see worms are working on a paper that is covering this bin, so it's probably time to incorporate it into the bedding. Okay, and this one is my emergency bin that is 97 days old. Can you believe it? I gave them a little bit of my worm chow because it's quite densely populated bin and I didn't want to keep them hungry for too long. I wasn't sure if I will have time to feed them today, but as you can see, we have many worms in this bin. So there's not much worm chow left. It's probably when it was like in the places that it was a bit drier. But otherwise they don't have much food. Okay, so you can see worms are everywhere. Busy bin. Not sure if you can see, but there are mites, like fast moving mites all over. Okay, so densely populated bin, and it's quite full, so I'm not sure what to do with this now. I would probably want to start some kind of migration, but not sure if I will have a space for this because there's so many worms. Okay, let's make a trench for food for them. Somewhere in the middle. I have a few bits of paper for them here because the food may be still a bit frozen. So I want to protect worms, and also big pieces of paper are easier to remove if I want to start migration. So I have only one container of food for both bins, so I will try to divide them a bit more evenly, but I'm not sure if I can. So some avocado peel, some banana peel, what we have here. This is still a bit frozen, so it was a lettuce. I took it out one day. I wanted to feed them, but didn't find the time. So it was frozen again, and now it's just a big block of lettuce, but that's fine. We have some, like half of an apple, it can go here as well, and maybe a couple more bits of avocado peel. That's fine. What we can also give them is some coffee. And a tiny bit of grit. Probably don't need much. Okay, so let's cover it back up. And you can watch worms going in. Okay, let's move this aside for a moment so we can check the bean. This one is quite busy too. And it's quite nicely processed already. It's 55 days. So they're doing good job. You still can see some bedding, which is good. There's an avocado peel. We have some worms inside, but it's slow food. Moisture level is really nice. It's nice and fluffy, but it's not too dry. I'm trying now to get to the parts that might be a bit compacted, so I want to fluff the whole bean. I think it's as densely populated as this one, so no difference, just age. Okay, you're not going. So let's take this paper to so I have another part of avocado. This one is with some stuff that probably wasn't good. This is an apple, avocado pit, a few bits of banana. There's another piece of avocado, and there is the lettuce and probably some tea bags. Yeah. Okay, so this stuff is a bit frozen still. We even have a few bits of tomato. It should be fine. So let's add some coffee, okay? And a bit of grit. They can have a bit more. They didn't have my worm chow for a while, like the other bean, so they can get a bit more coffee. Okay, let's cover it back up. Okay, so this is done. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.